My name is Amy Barraclough. I'm the director of the Edelman Planetarium at Rowan University. Earlier this month, we had a 1/3 scale replica of the Apollo lunar landers get installed right outside of Science Hall. The lander was originally on display at the Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama. It's going to help us tell the story of human space exploration. We often get asked, did humans really ever walk on the moon? And the answer is yes. We can see the footprints of the astronauts on the surface of the moon through satellites that are orbiting around the moon. But I think that the key proof that when we landed in 1969, the Soviets believed us. They were tracking it too. If there was any evidence that we had tried to fabricate it in a lab or in a television studio, they would have called us out on it and continued their attempts to get to the moon. Once we had done it, the space race basically ended because it was over, we won.